Hello, I am playing Club Penguin. I can throw these. And I'm going to show you how to turn into a ghost. Right, so you should spawn right in here. And you go in the haunted house. Go in here. There. Go here. Yeah. You have to go in the other door. Zapper ruining. If you see this white door, come in, and you have to fill up all the keys to get the night vision goggles and go in. You go in here. And he turns it. It takes a little while. Done. Hello. Roar. You click D. Or you could just go into your penguin and click dance. You can do it. And I'm going to show you how to rap. I'm rapping. Woo! And I'm going to show you how to get into that thing where you do pearls. So you have your map. You go right over here. Click on this. Hey, I'm going to scare this guy. Subscribe and comment below if you know any other things.